We've all heard of apples and oranges, but have you ever heard of a plant called the dead man's fingers? Sounds a little eerie, right? Also known as the blue bean plant or the blue sausage fruit, it's a whole different world of strange and interesting botanical wonders. Hold on, before I dive deeper into this unusual fruit, I should probably give you a bit more context about the plant itself. Let's start with its scientific name, Decaisnea fargesii. This peculiar plant is native to the cooler regions of Asia, particularly China and the Himalayas. The plant grows as a large shrub or small tree and can reach up to 5 meters tall. Now, picture this. Its leaves are pinnate, which means they're divided into leaflets on both sides of a common axis. These leaflets can grow up to 90 centimeters long. But what really steals the show are the fruits. They're elongated and plump, looking like, well, blue sausages. They are about 10 centimeters long and hang in clusters, and their outer skin is this striking shade of blue that you wouldn't normally associate with fruit. Crack one of these fruits open and you'll find a surprise inside. The pulp is a translucent, jelly-like substance filled with flat, black seeds. Its texture might remind you of a lychee, but it's got a flavor all its own. Some say it's sweet, but with a peculiar, almost cucumber-like taste. It's often eaten raw or used in desserts. Though not a culinary superstar, it's quite a treat in areas where it grows naturally. But be aware, only the pulp is edible. The skin and seeds are not. It's fascinating, isn't it? But while its fruits are intriguing, let's not forget about its flowers. The dead man's fingers blossoms in spring with drooping clusters of yellow-green flowers, adding another layer of charm to this already captivating plant. With all its distinctive characteristics, the blue bean plant makes an intriguing addition to any garden, creating a unique aesthetic that's sure to draw attention. Intriguing, isn't it? A plant with an eerie nickname, intriguing blue fruits, and a mysterious origin. That's the story of the dead man's fingers, a plant as fascinating as its name. Maybe next time you're in the mood for a botanical adventure, you might consider giving it a try.